All right, Prep. So here is the book that we are going to be reading today. The title of this book is No Ned. No Ned. Dad, Tim, and Sam go to see Ned in his pen. Ned is Tim's pet ram. But Ned is not in his pen. He has run off. Oh no, yells Tim. Ned is lost. Lost. We must look for him. Tim looks in the mud. No Ned. Dad looks on the logs. No Ned. Sam runs off to the dam. Tim is so sad. I miss Ned. He sniffs. Sam is back. Yap, yap, yap. Tim and Dad jump up. Sam, did you see Ned? Yip, yap, yes. Sam runs to the dam. Bah, bah. Ned is in the log hut. Ned gets lots of hugs and is led back to his pen. Let's get Ned a gift, grins Dad. A gift? Yes, a big lock for his pen.